Hey, it's Des coming back to you with another unboxing. So this one is an unboxing, but this is a special unboxing. I have been waiting for this product forever. Being that we in quarantine, I was just like, oh my gosh, I really need to order this. I really need to order this because I need to hone in on some things. Y'all don't even understand. I have been eyeing this for a long time, so I'm super excited to get this. And yes, this is, yes. I'm excited. This is, can you see that? Can you see that? Remarkable Creators 3-in-1 bundle. Yes, I got my stand. So now with this stand, I can use my phone, my iPad, or my camera can go up there and just aim it directly down at what I'm doing. I know a lot of y'all know this. You got a lot of people already know about this Arkon mount. So, you know, you guys know what it does, especially for somebody who does nails, somebody who does any crafting. You guys know about this Arkon mount. This mount is so special. I have this Sony a6000 camera, so I can like actually record like quality videos on this camera now, facing down, doing the work. Oh my gosh, this is good for like if you're a baker, do pottery, any type of crafting that, you know, anybody, a lot of us creatives do, any kind of crafting. It was on hold because I think they said they were missing a piece and they had to wait until the piece got back in stock. So that was the packaging that you guys seen how it came boxed. This is how it comes. I'm all over the place. Y'all gotta forgive me. So this is how it comes in the box. And I'm just gonna take out these little pieces because here is that's for the arms, and this is the arm and the piece to hold your camera or your phone. Oh my gosh, I got this extra little ring light for the phone. And this is for the iPad portion of it. And this is the bobble so that I can move. And this is the base. That's the base. I'm contemplating if I should put it together now. I don't really want to put it together now, but I should. So it pretty much sits like, well, you guys saw the picture on the box. You guys saw the picture on the box. So it pretty much sits like this on your workstation. And then with this stand, it'll give me a better view of, you can see the nails from the top, whatever the case may be, as opposed to having these like, oh, you guys know, we have to find all sorts of ways in order to get a good view, to get a good shot of us applying the acrylic, or even a good shot or a good angle, I should say, a good angle for us to take the video without putting the camera all up in the customer's face, or, you know, I mean in the client's face, or putting the camera all up in our face, or constantly banging the camera. This gives us a good, like the arm is long enough to where it extends out and over, so it doesn't have to, you know, get in anybody's way. It feels much more sturdy. These pieces detach, so you can make it as long and as short as you would like that. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, so I cannot record myself putting this thing together because it's gonna take me a long time. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys so that you can see my new recording device. I'm so excited, guys. You don't even know. If you have this camera, if you have this contraction, comment down below and let me know what you think of it. If you are considering getting it as a crafting person, hit me up, comment down below, let me know. If you want to know how it works for me later on, I don't know if I'm going to do another video later on, but comment down below and let me know if you want to, if you have any questions about this, or even just send me a comment and let me know what you think of the product that you have. If you have it, if you don't have it, if you have something else, comment down below and let me know, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Deuces. So I decided to add a video showing me assembling the arm, just so you guys can get a feel of how simple and easy it is to assemble. It's really quick. It didn't take me that long. It took me maybe 10 minutes to assemble the whole thing. I had a little bit of struggle with the arm, the top of the arm, as you can see, but you can definitely see that I had gotten through it really, really quickly after I figured out in my head what to do. But you'll see when it gets there. And this is the finished product all assembled for you guys to see. I have placed it in several places on my desk, but this was the only place that you guys can get a good view. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.